What is up, everyone? SteezyBoyzFilmz back with another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how I Raptor line all the trim and the bumpers and the wheel wells of this red Chevy pickup. But first, smash that subscribe button if you haven't already. Like this video and let's get to it. So here we have the 93 Chevy. It's the 6.5 diesel turbo. It's just kind of my beater ride. So what we're going to be doing is bed lining the trim right here in the wheel wells, and then the trim all the way down. Gonna bed line all this. We're gonna bed line this rear bumper, and we're gonna bed line this silver Chevy emblem back here. This is all getting bed lined, and then we're gonna bed line the front bumper. Alright, so I got the bumper off. It was quite the process, but if you guys ever wondered what the inside of a bumper of a work truck looks like, there you go. This thing probably hasn't been off since it was made, so damn near 30 years. So I'm gonna clean it a little bit and then we'll pull the front bumper off. Dude, you're killing my vibe right now, kid. Alright, we finally got the front bumper off. If you look back here, you can see where that's all rusted out. So I'm gonna take this license plate thing off, and then gonna clean it up, and then we'll sand them down, and they'll be ready for the bed liner. So I have both the wheels off, I have the grill off, and I have the bottom two headlights out. So right now I'm gonna start taping off and prepping for the bed liner to go on. Let's do it. Alright guys, we finally got everything taped off, got all the plastic on there, got everything sanded, thanks to the old lady for a little bit of help. Now we're going to blow off the parts that we sanded, and we're gonna begin spraying the bed liner on there. If you guys made it this far in the video by now, don't forget to like and subscribe. We got a bunch more stuff going on with this pickup and a couple other projects we're gonna get underway here pretty soon. So I'd appreciate it if you guys like and subscribe. Here we go, let's do it. Now the music comes in. So we just went through one bottle. It actually lasted a pretty long ways. We got the whole rear bumper. So basically the front left half side of the pickup. So that's pretty nice, and I think that it's gonna look really cool. Just gonna have to pay attention because I don't wanna let it dry out 100% before I take the tape off, because if I do that, then this will it'll lock in and it'll make it to where I'm gonna actually get a razor blade and clean it all with the razor blade. So we're looking good, boys, we're looking good. Shake, shake, shake. Alright, so we got all the tape off, and it turned out pretty clean, actually. Alright, so now all we're going to do is throw the wheel wells in and put the tires back on, the wheels back on. If you want to see the next part in this build series, go ahead and check out the next video where we're going to be putting on the new front grille, the new bow tie, the new smoke lights, and then also we're going to pull off the tow hooks and we're going to paint those red. So yeah, that's the plan for the next video. If you want to check that out, go ahead. Thank you guys for watching. Throw a thumbs up if you guys liked the video. See you next time. Peace.